So, what do I think? Lahat nung tinikman natin is available sa mga groceries. Nagre-range siya sa, I think, 50 pesos to 70 pesos or 75. Ganun yung range niya. Mas mura yung Mountain Dew kesa sa yung Coke and the Sprite versions. Makikita mo siya sa alcohol section ng mga groceries, or kung nasa 7-Eleven kayo is nandun din siya nakahilera sa mga beers. So kung naghahanap kayo ng alternative na inumin this summer, pwede nyo i-consider itong mga tinikman natin today. Okay, so katapos lang natin tikman lahat ng to. What I would recommend is this one. If you like the taste, or kung gusto niyo yung lasa ng original na Mountain Dew, I would recommend this. Otherwise, you can try this as well. Hindi ko siya ganun ka gusto. Ako, I like this as well kasi I like Sprite, and I like Absolut Vodka. Again, hindi ako isang whiskey drinker, pero mas gugustuhin ko to, yung original version kesa sa zero version. So all in all, would you try any of these? Gusto nyo ba silang subukan? Or na-try nyo na ba sila? Sound off in the comments. Also, kung gusto nyo bang ipatikim ko rin tong mga tinikman natin today, gusto nyo rin ba ipatikim ko to sa mga kaibigan ko and see what they think? Sound off in the comments below. Again, if you like the video, please click on the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel to see future uploads as well. I originally intend dito sa channel ko. That's it. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Aris from Active Player Productions. Have a great day. Bye.